What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Jasmy guys. What can we expect from Jasmy in February guys, which is just around the corner? Obviously January has been quite of a ride for not just Jasmy but the crypto market in general. So can we see it pump up in value? Can we see it recover? That's what we're going to be going through, and also looking at its prediction for the rest of 2024. What my expectations are from Jasmy. Is it crypto to be investing into right now? Is it one to be holding on to, or is it one to be selling it? That's what we're going to be going through, and also looking at its predictions for the long term as well. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Jasmy, which is here in purple. However, Jasmy is also trading at a very similar value here in red, which we can't really see, but the main point is that it is very close to the SMA indicator, so it is pretty much on target and performing like it's meant to. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards a positive direction. They're not looking too steep, which is good. It's realistic. So essentially by the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, Jasmy should be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. I'm not expecting any major pumps or anything like that, but minimal increases in value, as the crypto market has also been recovering very slowly over the last couple of days, with Bitcoin heading up over $43,000, which is good to see. But I'm expecting the recovery to carry on over the next few days as well. So yeah, I am expecting Jasmy to go for an overall minimal increase in value over the next 12 to 14 hours. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days here we're looking a little bit more skeptical. We do have the blue line looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and the orange line is looking slightly bearish, heading towards a negative direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from Jasmy over the next 14 hours, over the next 7 to 8 days, so towards the end of this week and early next week. However, from the analysis and predictions that I have done, I am expecting an overall minimal increase in value from Jasmy over the next week or so. So it should be trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment, because I'm also expecting the crypto market to be recovering slowly over the coming week, meaning it should be trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment, potentially around a 10% increase, 10 to 12% increase from this point to the next 7 days is what I'm expecting from Jasmy. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks now we're looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks guys, mid to late March 2024, I'm expecting Jasmy to be trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment. And yes guys, I'm expecting it to head up to around the 1 cent target. Getting close to that price range is what I'm expecting. I'm not saying it would essentially hit 1 cent, but getting very close to that price range here above 0.009 cents is where I'm expecting Jasmy to be trading at by late March and early April. But again, with the Bitcoin halving happening around April time, this will have an impact on the crypto market, but there will be more news on that closer to the date. And also I'll keep you guys updated on a daily basis on the crypto market, so make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So Let's get rid of the MACD indicator, and the Fibonacci scale doesn't really play a huge part when it comes to Jasmy, because as you guys can see, we are still trading in the lower part of the red zone, and for us to hit the green zone we need to hit around 0.015 cents in value, which I'm not expecting from Jasmy at the moment. Potentially towards Q4 of this year it may be able to hit the resistance target here, but there'll be more on that later on this year, because we're gonna have to focus on the 1 cent target first, which I'm expecting it to hit by mid-year. So before we go into the CoinMarketCap website, guys, just a little announcement for those of you guys who are interested on daily updates on Bitcoin and the crypto market. You guys can join my Telegram group chat, which I will leave a link to in the description box down below. And I had to plug you guys with the discount code 50% off using discount code DEC10 to make it $14.99 a month. And once you sign up, you're going to be at that price for as long as you remember. And again, this is for a limited time only and for a limited number of members only as well, so make sure you guys are quick if you guys want to join. So what happens once you sign up, you get put into 2 group chats. The first one is one where I'll show you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling, but do bear in mind that I am not a short-term trader. I'm a long-term investor, so I don't buy and sell on a regular basis, but when I do, it is at a very good entry and exit price as well. The second chat is a general chat where I'll be showing you guys regular updates on mainly Bitcoin, because that's what controls the market in a bullish and bearish direction. Again, don't worry about the figures here. This screenshot is from last year, guys, so not even last year, 2022. So yeah, and you guys can also ask me questions on other cryptos, analysis, predictions and so on, which I will also answer in that group chat. But yeah, any queries, any questions, let me know. If not, the link is again in the description box down below. And now back to Jasmy. So as you guys can see, the trading volume has gone up by just about 14% in the last 24 hours, making $18 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading due to the fact that, well, it hasn't lost value, it has been slowly gaining value. So we are seeing people slowly starting to trade not just Jasmy but the crypto market in general, especially after the major drop that took place earlier last week. People just kept off the crypto market, and now they're slowly getting back into it as it is slowly starting to recover. So yeah, February, I'm expecting a slow increase in value from Jasmy as well. Nothing too crazy, but again, what we want is a slow and steady increase in value to make the project much more sustainable. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.